we have given some data of a players in an array. The question is, we have to write a post API using players URL in that creates a new player, that saves a player's details and does not allow saving the data of a player with a name that already exists in the data. For this, first in my route.js file, I import the express using required keyword in express variable. Then I am using route function of express in router. This is the given data player. This is an array in which multiple objects are declared as elements. This is my post API. In my post API, this is my router or URL of the post API. I am passing a function which has two parameters, request and response. In this function, I declare a variable element in which I assign the details of a player which is present in body. In request body, I am using for loop to iterate every element or to access every element of the array. I declared a variable I which is initialized by 0 till the end of the array. It is incremented by 1 by using increment operator. In this loop, I declare another variable new in which I assign every element of the player array. This is if condition which will check the name of the player. Name dot new dot name will equal element dot name. It will return this player. This player is already exist. This string. Otherwise, condition will wrong. It will print that it will add the player's detail in this array. I export the router here. If I run this file, using NodeMon, it is running on port 3000. I will hit this API on Postman. This is the data. If the name is similar to the given data, it will print the message. This player is already exist, and otherwise the data name is different, like Meenakshi. It will add the data in this array. This is the new data.